Hey everybody, how you doing? Magic Man here. I got my new 3D printer, QIDU Tech 1. Having some issues with it. Maybe some of you experts over there on YouTube can help me out and give me some notes on some of the things. First is ABS. No matter what I've done, as you see, there's a lot of separation there. I don't know if you can really see that or not. And that's how it started and come out. And then here's the other one. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that. Separation. Again, ABS. A lot of separation there too. This one came out good. PLA. It came out really good. That one was good. This one came out nice, beautiful. No mistakes. I don't know, good. Another one. No mistakes. Pretty good. Nice. But then I did a keychain. As you can see, the Darth Vader mask. Didn't come out too good, so I don't know why that happened. This mom and dad one came out nice, beautiful, top bottom. I mean, it has a little stringing there, has some stringing. I don't know how to stop that. And then these are the beginning cubes. I've had little issues on the bottom. But here I just printed out the baby root. See, it came out with no arm. Got some of the fingers missing down there. But other than that, it came out pretty good. And basically this is how it comes out with the supports and everything I have. And as you can see, arm didn't come out there. And here's some of a little bit of the arm there and the fingers. So I don't know, but then this baby one, this little one, printed out beautifully. And then I got these hex drawers, beehives they call them. I don't know if you can see in there or not. The bottom isn't that great. And then we got the top in here, a little rough stuff in there. Very top there, not clean at all. Then I printed it again, changed temperatures and spacings and all that stuff, and still got the little stringing, I guess they call that. And then towards the top again, it's not that good. I don't know if you can see that or not. And of course the bases on both of them are not that clear. And they're supposed to interlock, and they're not. I made a bigger one, same thing with this stringing right there, and the same thing with the top part. Very top part separating, and of course the bottom again. Like I said, I changed bed temperatures, I changed the layer height, I leveled the bed quite a few times already. I don't know, like I said, some of them come out great, because look at this one, subscribe. But don't forget to subscribe. And this one came out great, 3D. Bottom, nice, beautiful. So I don't understand, but maybe some of you guys some of you gurus can do that. And here's I just made it just now, just came out, a wood vase, not bad. Haven't taken it apart yet, but I do have one spot right there. There's a spacing, there's a little space there, but that's the only part. Even the bottom came out nice. Even the bottom came out nice. And this is the Hatchbox wood filament. So if anybody can help me out, you know, put something down in the description box below. Try to help me out, and I do appreciate it. And Magic Man out. See you later.